Cool advice about becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the company you are advertising has a good reputation. Doing business with a disreputable company can be detrimental to you in two ways. You may be forced to wait for large amounts of time to get your money, and your customers' trust in you will diminish. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. A great affiliate marketing tip is to try out a product that you're interested in. If you're interested in promoting a new product, you should try it out first so that you have first-hand knowledge of how it works, and you will know for sure whether promoting it will be a good move. One way to encourage potential online affiliates is to design a range of attractive graphics, banners, and buttons that partners can place on their own site or blog. People can use them on their own page, but with the stipulation that clicking on the ad or button will direct the user to your main website. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include reviews of products you wouldn't recommend to your customers. Including reviews of products you wouldn't recommend can be a great way to gain the trust of your customers. You'll be providing them with information that they have a right to know. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.